Click the sound button. Click on the sound effect you want to play. Click to add sound effects. Select the sound file you want to add to the USB stick. Click Select. Find the sound effect you just imported. Click to start playing. Click the settings button to choose a loop. Drag to click to start playing just the sound volume.